Hi guys, welcome back with the it's the last puzzle of this puzzle page. In this additional with extra Sudokus of yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, May the 12th, 2021. Actually, it's today, Thursday, Ascensions Day, May the 13th. But we will and so but yes but on Assassin's Day we don't receive any newspaper, so I continue with the rest of the puzzle page of yesterday, and this one, the last one, will be number 2786. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. Yeah, 22 I've counted already. So must be an easy one. Yes, an easy tectonic. All right, let's begin. And the first question is, can we see here the single boxes? I see here a single box. Single box is always a 1. Here also a single box. The single box is always a 1. Dual boxes then. I see here a dual box. I do not know. It contains the numbers 1 and 2, but I do not know in which order, so I mark those two boxes, 1 and 2. Do we have more dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then? No. Triple boxes, quadra boxes then? No. No quadra boxes. Then, oh, here, dual box. The 2 is already filled in, so this should be a 1. Excuse me, yes. Alright. So, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, the L shape or L construction or L figure. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So here and there. Then the following figure, this figure. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Yes. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. So it must be a 1. Okay. Do we have more? No. Here. Yeah. 2 should be here also. This is a 2. No more. Alright, then this kind of figure. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yes. So this same number as that box. And this is rotated. See here? The 1 and the 1. Okay. Those are the figures. Oh, here. Another L shape, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Those are the figures that you need to know, recognize. So let's get started. Look, it's a 3 here. So this should be also a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Two numbers left, the 4 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those two boxes. 4 and a 5, that means that those two boxes can be 4 and a 5. The 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes. We have a 4 here, so this box can be a 4. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Two numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place a 1 here, then that box should be also a 1. It's connected with each other. So this is not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. All right. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 1 number left in this area for the number 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright, this box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this W-shaped area for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. 3 and a 4, okay. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 2 because we have a 1 and a 2 there. Double 2, so the 2 should be there. So this should be 4 and a 3 as a pair in this area. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can it be a 2? Should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. And 1 box left in this W-shaped area for the number 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this W-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright, 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, alright. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Okay, I think. 2 boxes left in this L-shape area for the numbers 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 4 and a 5 are left. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be at 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. Then, I think, this box, wait, 2 and a 3. Did I make a mistake? 3 and a 5. This box can be a 4. So the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here. Could be there. And the 5 cannot be here. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means I have a double 5 here. That this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be there, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. Yes. And I like this one. Yes. I do. Publisher. Yes. I like fast making puzzles. So I like this one. Not too long. Not that your brains are working hard. Yes. I like this one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down, of course. Yeah, you can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great day. Have a great Assassin's Day. Great, fantastic Thursday. Yes. See you tomorrow on Friday. Bye-bye for now.